I'm Sebastian, and this is for Mrs. Mann's class and reading A Home for Bird by Philip C. Stead. Vernon was out foraging for interesting things when he found a bird. "Are you okay?" asked Vernon. Bird said nothing. "Are you lost?" Bird said nothing. "You are welcome to join me," said Vernon. Vernon introduced Bird to his friends. "Bird," said Vernon, "meet Skunk and Porcupine." Bird said nothing. "Bird is shy," said Vernon, "but also very good listener." Vernon showed Bird the river. He took Bird foraging. The bird said nothing, and cloud watching too. "I'm worried that Bird's not happy," said Vernon. "Perhaps he's lost," said Skunk. "Maybe he misses home," said Porcupine. So Vernon prepared for a journey to help Bird find his home. He readied a boat, found an oar, said goodbye to his old friends, and together with Bird followed the river into the great unknown. Vernon showed Bird many different places to live. "How about here? Is this your home?" asked Bird. "Here?" "No, but no matter how many places they tried, Bird said nothing, and Vernon was sad." Now Vernon was a determined friend, and with a little help, he and Bird followed the wind. "I hope this is a good idea," said Vernon. Bird said nothing. "Bird is very brave," thought Vernon. Having traveled a long way, the friends came to the rest. "Hello," said Vernon to a kind stranger. "I think we are lost." The stranger pointed the way. To a little house down the road. "I'm so tired," said Vernon. Bird said nothing. "Bird is tired too," thought Vernon. "Maybe I'll stop for the night." Together, Vernon and Bird slid down the curtain, introduced themselves to a new friends, and climbed up to the little house on the wall. "This home is in need of repair," thought Vernon, carefully placing the door back on the hinges. "I hope Bird doesn't mind." He put Bird to bed upstairs. He put himself to bed downstairs. And fell asleep to the gentle sound of tick-tock, 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 tick-tock. Vernon awoke with the morning light. He liked his house, and the cheerful sound of made it wonderful. "If Bird likes it too," thought Vernon, and Bird said, "Coo-coo, coo-coo, 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 coo-coo." And Vernon was so happy. A Home for Bird. This book is A Home for Bird, and he finds a bird, and then he introduces them to Porcupine and Skunk, and then he said maybe he is lost. Maybe he misses home. Then they go on, then they go to other places like in a cage, in a mailbox, and then they get a little balloon that carries him all over the place. Then he stops on another mailbox and someone points the way. Then he goes to a little house. Then he climbs up to another house. Then he goes inside the house. Bird does, and then he puts himself to bed, and he gently goes to sleep by the tick-tock noise of the clock of the house. And then he says, I hope Bird liked this. And then Bird says, coo 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 coo. Then Vernon was happy. Bye.